How to turn off the viewports display in AutoCAD. Solution. This feature is controlled by VP Freeze button on the Layer Manager. It hides the viewport on the active layer. If other viewports are on other layer they are still displayed. This button only hides the viewport on active layer. This option is available in layouts only. See how it works. First we create objects. Switch to layout. Now we modify the layout size to create some other layouts. Open Layer Manager and create some new layers. Active Layer 1 and create a new viewport on it. Now active Layer 2 and create a new viewport on it. Now click on VP Freeze button on Layer 2. You can see that the third viewport is hidden now. Again click on VP Freeze button on Layer 2. You can see that viewport is visible again. And hidden again. Now active Layer 1 and now click on VP Freeze button on Layer 1. You can see that the second viewport is hidden now. Now active Layer 0 and now click on VP Freeze button on Layer 0. You can see that the first viewport is hidden now. So you can hide and show the viewports by the help of VP Freeze button. Thanks for watching.